Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Your AC or heat pump is a system consisting of the outdoor condensing unit and an indoor coil, housed inside of your furnace or air handler. Replacing just the outdoor unit and not this coil is like only replacing the engine on an old car. It'll run again, but you won't get all the benefits of a brand new car. 9 July 2015.
Take our lead.
On average, air conditioning units last 10 to 15 years while HVAC systems last 15 to 20 years. Your heating and cooling systems last longer when they are properly maintained, such as by cleaning the system's filters and air ducts routinely. 13 January 2020.
Take our lead.
The compressor is an expensive item to replace. Because dead compressors usually happen in old air conditioners, it's more cost-effective to start over with a new AC rather than pay to put a new compressor into a system that's already wasting power and a few years from the junk heap. 9 September 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Homeowners insurance only covers damage done to an air conditioning unit as a result of a covered peril listed in your homeowner's policy. Depending on the type, an AC unit is part of the structure of your home or personal property, so you will be able to file a claim for damage from specific causes, per your policy. 10 March 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Repairing an air conditioner condenser costs an average of $150 to $1,000 or more. Replacing the entire coil runs $900 to $2,800. Labor alone makes up about half the fees. HVAC technicians charge anywhere from $50 to $150 per hour.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.